I also figured out how to send DMs via Notion.
Oh,
I know.
Can I demonstrate it to you?
yeah.
Okay, so here you can see this is my community CRM. I basically downloaded my member list and I uploaded it into Notion. And then I said to Notion, make my member list into a board. That's literally as basic as it is. Like, it's like first name, literally board, okay? Then what I did is I programmed an automation. Now, this is the one gotcha, is you do have to have automations in Notion. So if I edit this, I just want to show you how easy it is. So basically, I added one property, and you can see there's two things in my property, three things. Excluded, no campaign, and Candid Connect is happening right now. That was what this property is called. And so I said, when the campaign property is set to Candid Connect is happening now, then send this webhook, okay? And then I just basically say all of the information, their email, just send it to the webhook, okay? And that's all that automation is. I know Zapier can be quite overwhelming, but I can make it a template which you can duplicate. It's a two-step Zap on purpose so that if you're using Zapier free version, it should run like infinitely for free, which is nice. So the trigger, all the trigger says is catch the webhook that I now created in Notion, okay? And I give it the webhook. Pretty easy. You do have to choose which kind of webhook. I just set up the catch hook one, and then the action is you choose circle, and then the community is Candid community, and then here I can basically say the user email, which I basically pick. It catches it from the hook, okay? So this is all of the information that is pulled through. If it's overwhelming, you can actually search. So you can just search, I'm looking for the email. And then this is like, okay, this looks like, oh, let's go with that one. That's an email. So I picked that one. But now it's there twice. So I'm removing it. So now here, I went in and I said, hey, and then I went and found their name, their first name. And then I basically put my message. So I just want to say, thank you for being here tonight. Oh gosh, if I could spell, that would be great. Okay, continue and publish. Test. Okay, now all I need to do is, let's find the three of you. So this is me segmenting my campaign, making sure the right people are excluded. And all I need to do is pick your names and move it over here. And if you all check your circles, actually, I can probably check my circles. And I go to my DMs. I can go down here. There we go. There's my messages with Margaret. There you go.
Yeah, got it.